I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to easily see all emails that have attachments in the Mail app on your iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Mail app on your iPhone or iPad and make sure you are looking at your main mailbox's screen. If you're in one of your email inboxes, just tap the back arrow at the top of the screen until you get back to your main mailbox screen. Step 2. Tap Edit in the top right corner of the screen to reveal hidden folders. Step 3. Scroll down the list of folders, find the entry labeled Attachments, and tap the empty circle next to it to check it. Tap Done in the top right corner to save your changes. Step 4. Tap into your newly added Attachments Smart folder. This folder automatically filters your entire mailbox to display only emails that contain file attachments. If you see an email you want to delete, all you need to do is swipe left across that email, tap the ellipses, and then scroll down this menu and tap Trash Message. If you want to remove multiple messages at once, tap Select in the top right corner, check the circles next to all the emails with large attachments you want to get rid of, and then tap Archive at the bottom of your screen. To be clear, archiving doesn't permanently delete these emails. The next step to permanently delete these emails is to tap the back button to go back to your main mailbox screen and tap All Archive in this menu. You'll see a list of all of the emails you've archived. Tap Select at the top of this screen, tap to select the emails you want to permanently delete, or just tap Select All if you want to delete everything in this folder, and then tap the trash can icon. Tap Trash Selected Messages in the window that pops up, but you're still not done. If you are using a third-party email service like Gmail or Microsoft Outlook inside the official Apple Mail app, deleting the email here will move it to your account trash bin, but it might not permanently free up your storage space right away. To completely clear the space immediately, go back to your main mailbox's screen, scroll down to the specific email account you are cleaning up, and tap into its trash or deleted items folder. From there, tap Select, select all the messages you just removed, and choose to permanently delete them. This completely wipes the files off your device and frees up your cloud storage quota instantly. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.